Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Wednesday, September 12th, 2018. Taking a look at our homework in the regular math classes and the honors class. We got a prime number quiz tomorrow. Remember, you've got 15 numbers from 0 to 50 that you need to learn. Module 2 quiz for the Reg Ed is on Monday, and for honors will be on Friday. As far as math homework, practice 2.1, numbers 1 through 12, we need to do tonight. Numbers 7 through 12, your work needs to be on the back or on a separate sheet of paper. In science, you got a quantitative versus qualitative assignment that is on your Chromebook. In social studies, there is no homework, but remember, we're going to start a project tomorrow, so come excited and come ready to learn. In language arts, you've got a writer's notebook, chapter 3 entry. Congratulations to everyone. We did a much better job on the homework for last night, the Writer's Notebook Chapter 2, as opposed to Chapter 1. We're definitely learning and continuing to improve. And in literature, on Friday, we've got our Article of the Week due, as well as our parent letter. Those are both due this upcoming Friday. In CNL, you need to finish looking up information on the 2 careers and turn in your worksheet on Ohio Means Jobs for Thursday for Miss Vanessa. That's it for today. Have a good evening.